Hey guys, welcome back to AK Ranch. Today on the ranch we are going to be working on some fencing. It's the first time I've ever worked on fencing. Yeah, this is all going to be new to me, so I'm going to take you along and we'll see how good this goes. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to put up a couple corner posts. I got one down there, put one here, one down over there. And what we're trying to do is reclaim.
Let me just show you a picture of what we want to do instead of having me ramble on here. This is a drone picture of the south side of our property. In the upper left you see our irrigation pond, and to the right is our garage, home, and chicken coop. We are putting up a new fence so that we can reclaim some of our cow grazing property. So everything on the east side of the new fence line, the bottom of the picture, will remain part of our grazing field. And to the west of the new fence line will be more of our homesteading projects, as seen in the photo here.
A fence before, figures it out, and hopefully it'll work out for the best. So learn from my mistakes. And one of the reasons why I actually do these videos is it makes me think out loud. As I talk while I'm doing it, sometimes I catch my mistakes just by sitting here talking to the camera. So let's see how many mistakes I can catch. It's a little kit you can buy that makes it pretty strong. Now comes the manual labor part. I thank my father-in-law, Bob Aiken, for this T-post driver. It is unique and it's very well built. I don't know how long he's had it, but I've definitely put it to good use. So here comes the fun part. I'm not going for perfection here, but I kind of want them all to be about the same height. Place your corner post right here. You lay another T-post down. You measure in 16 inches in. That's where you put your next post. So I use the wedge lock. We have some brackets here. We have a square bracket like this, a sleeve that goes in to lock it in place, and then we got one of these things that holds the support T-bar in place. It'll make sense once I put it on. So we put one on the corner post, support bracket in. There's our support T-post. And this is the back side. Again, we got another square bracket. The sleeve just make it stay in place. And the thing to hold the support bracket. And this goes down on the bottom. So that goes all the way down on the bottom. Goes in the bottom. And this snaps in place on the top. Now you can either make the adjustment, here, bring this down a little bit, lock this in place, and there you go. I'll push this down a little with the hammer. There we go. It's pretty cool, huh? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this side and call it good. All right, let's do the other side. I know I really should run my twine, but yeah, I think I will. To get a good right angle on this corner, run a twine. It goes all the way down to where my next corner corner's going to be to where I can run the T-post on that twine, get a nice straight line. Not going to be perfect, but I at least want to get close. All right, here we go. Muddy. Well, I'm glad I ran the twine because I would not be going in a straight line here. Oh man. Here we go. Shit. That didn't work out too well, and I did it. Let's see if we can get it to work. Well, like I said, it's bound to make mistakes, and this was one of them. So I posted this, or I put this one in about 2 inches too far. Let's see what happened here. Like I said, I'm not really good at this shit. Or I shouldn't say not good. It's just my first time. Live and learn. I guess I can show you how to pull up a T-post. Get something out of it, right? I have a tendency to make mistakes. There you go. There you go. Well, let's try this again. Take two. More tools. That one didn't work out perfectly, but that took a little longer than I wanted it to, but you got it done. Moral of the story is measure. Measure twice, cut once, or pound a T-post in once. What happened is this T-post is kind of twisted a little bit, which makes it hard to line up. There's no wiggle whatsoever anyway on this corner post. So the system works pretty well. Again, my first attempt down there went a lot smoother than my second, but still, all in all, about half an hour, I would say that is a success. But I think for today I'm gonna call the video good. Hope you guys learn from my mistakes. This is not a how-to, this is figure out how it's done on my end. But again, I'm pretty pleased with my corner post. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions.